Oh, nice and tender. It's breaking apart. That's perfect. My toddler's been sick, so I'm gonna make her something yummy. I'm actually gonna start by placing some bacon in a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven because she's refusing to eat, and that is no fun. So let's get started. I have some chicken thighs here that I started seasoning with a little black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, some dried parsley, a little fine sea salt, not too much. I'm going to repeat: a little fine sea salt, not too much, dried parsley, onion powder, and some garlic powder. And that's it. I'm going to add some olive oil to this pan that's been heating up. And now I'm going to add the chicken to the pan. And while the chicken is sauteing, I'm actually going to toast some pine nuts in a pan to make some pesto. So chicken is sauteing, pine nuts are toasting. Add the toasted pine nuts to my blender. The chicken has been sauteing for 5 minutes. Let it saute for another 4 to 5 minutes and then finish in the oven. And now I'm going to finish making my pesto. So I'm going to blend the pine nuts. And to the blended pine nuts, I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic because my toddler loves garlic. Some lemon juice. The point of this is to make it extremely flavorful so she'll enjoy it because she is sick and she's not really eating. Now we're going to blend. Now I'm going to add a generous amount of basil, some olive oil, and before I forget my chicken, it's been 5 minutes, so 5 minutes on the skin side, 5 minutes on the flesh side. And now I'm going to place it into a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven with the bacon and let that finish cooking. And then we're going to finish the pesto. I don't want to blend it too much. So I'm going to finish with some grated Parmesan cheese, a generous amount, some Maldon sea salt, and then some fresh cracked black pepper. And then we're going to finish the pesto. And now I'm going to taste it and adjust it if necessary. Great consistency. Let's taste it and then go from there. Really good. And the bacon looks delicious, Aubrey. And that's my timer. That was 25 minutes in the oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but it was really thick bacon. And I have this sourdough olive loaf, so I'm gonna make a nice little sandwich. Not for me because I don't eat chicken, but I just wanna make it. And let's not forget about the chicken thighs. That is beautiful. Oh, nice and tender. It's perfect. And I cooked it, I believe, for a little over 10 minutes. I didn't set the timer because I was timing the bacon. Sorry. So I sauteed 5 minutes on the skin side, then I flipped it 5 minutes on the flesh side, and I finished it in preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for over 10 minutes. It is chicken thighs. Let's slice a little tomato, a little pesto on both sides, and chicken is very hot, so we're gonna add the chicken. The chicken was for the kids, but this is kind of fun just to do. Some tomato, and I just made this nice thick bacon, so we're gonna add some to the chicken sandwich as well. A little bacon, thick cut, some butter leaf lettuce. That's a sandwich. And lastly, I'm going to add a little avocado, a little fresh cracked black pepper, and finish with a little olive oil drizzle. Oh boy. Aubrey. There we go. Aubrey, your sister's calling you. I'm glad I only did one slice of bread.
Sister.
Okay, back to the kids.
Hey, Mom.
Here's the bacon. Someone's eating bacon even though she's sick. Bacon, and I have a pesto chicken for you. Aubrey, you can have that piece of bacon. Hopefully you'll eat some of the chicken as well. That'll make me really happy. If she eats this today, I'll be very happy because when she's sick, the toddler that is, she does not eat. So that's why I made something super tasty and flavorful. And then she loves sauces, so I made some pesto. She's a big fan of sliced tomato, so I'll just put it in there. She likes it nice and chunky. Little bowl of stuff. Hopefully she'll eat this. And then for the infant, and soften it up. A little pesto. Infant. Toddler. Dada. And that's for you. What do you think? Do you like it? Is it good? More. It's pesto with bacon, chicken. There's bacon, see? And you have some dipping sauce. That's pesto. And if you eat that, then that's a win. It was worth it. Yes. Good job. We like flavor. You feel better? Good job, Aubrey. Yay. I made a yummy snack for you. And that's a win because Aubrey did not want to eat anything today because she's not feeling great. So I had to make something very flavorful. Bacon, chicken, tomato, and fresh pesto. And it's a hit. So I'm so happy and it was worth it. And then you get to have some too. Aww. Good job, Aubrey. Thank you, Carson. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And because I had a sourdough olive loaf, that was the inspo behind this half a sandwich that I will not eat because I don't eat chicken or bacon.